Hello guys, welcome to Little Frames. Please, if today is your first time visiting our channel, kindly subscribe so that we all enjoy tricky questions together. Thank you for doing that. So today we are looking at this Olympiad math problem, and we are supposed to solve for x, okay? So in this case, we are having x on 2 log s base x is equal to root 4 factorial plus 1. Okay. Before we move on, in logarithm, when we have log 10 base 10, we say that it's equal to 1. Okay. So this, we can say that x on 2 to bracket log s base x is 1, which is equal to root 4 factorial plus 1. Okay. Now we have x on 2 is equal to root 4 factorial is the same as 4 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1. Okay. So x on 2 is equal to root 4 factorial is 24, then plus 1, which is 25. So we have root 25 here. So we have x plus 2 is equal to, so root of 25 is plus or minus 5. Okay, so in this case, say that x is equal to 2 multiplied by plus or minus 5. Okay, so in this case, say that our x is equal to, we have 2, so in this case, we have 2 minus 5, and then s is equal to 2 plus 5. Okay, so with this, we have x is equal to negative 3. And this side, we have s is equal to, oh, sorry, so it will be like this. So to be negative 10, rather, then this one will be plus 10. Okay, so x is equal to plus or minus 10. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe for more. Bye bye.